Oh wow. Asparagus on this. Hello everyone, welcome back to Angie's Table. Today we are going to be making 2 healthy and easy meals done in just under 10 minutes. So I thought most people have school or work, and when they come home the last thing they want to do is cook up a meal for themselves. And eating out is just an easier option, but I wanted to show that it can be a healthier and cheaper option. Doesn't have to take so long, and you can have fun after work at home in your kitchen. So I believe that anyone can make this. It's really easy. The first thing we're going to be making is a tortellini salad. So we are going to be cooking up some cheese tortellinis, and the base of it will be arugula and spinach. We'll also be throwing in some asparagus in there, and we'll get a lot of robust flavor from sun-dried tomatoes and pesto. Second thing we're going to be making is a miso butter cod. You just pop this into the air fryer, and it's just so easy and quick. The cleanup is easy, and it tastes really good. So let's just jump right in and check out these ingredients. Okay, so to begin with, we are going to be boiling 2 pots of water, and they're right behind me. We're going to prepare our asparagus by trimming off the ends and cutting them into more bite-sized pieces. Cut these into thirds like this. And once the water boils, let's cook 1 serving of cheese tortellini, which would be about, I would say, a cup. Like this. In the meantime, in the salad bowl, let's add as much arugula as you'd like. And with the sun-dried tomatoes, make sure to add it with the oil. We are going to be adding some pesto and sun-dried tomatoes. Speaking of pesto, I remember when one of our first few videos was pesto. We had like a pesto series. It's so cringe looking at myself. I hate looking at the videos in the beginning because it's just so unnatural. I feel like I become so comfortable with the camera. Okay, don't go back and look at the pesto videos though, guys. Just don't. And have cold baths prepared. Once the tortellini and asparagus are done cooking, we're going to drain them and add them into the cold baths. And then drain them once again and add it to the salad bowl. Let's top it off with some Parmesan cheese and sunflower seeds. We wanted to use pine nuts, but we realized we didn't have any, so we're going to use sunflower seeds, so either or works. In college, where I didn't have time to spend all day in the kitchen, this would have been amazing because I was always like, what should I bring for lunch to school? And it would always be 컵라면. It's just so easy to just throw a 컵라면 in your lunchbox, or a sandwich, or I would just bring fruits and veggies, honestly. Like, that's all I would bring. But if I had something healthier like this, I think it would have been a lot better because as students, like, you need all the nutrition you can get. Do you guys know what it's time for? Please remain seated. So today's word of the day is 장난감, which means toys. Ella's right next to me. Actually, she's eating, and she's just eating. We thought wasn't really into toys until we went over one of our friend's house, and she was obsessed with his toys. So we're like, okay, maybe she does like toys. It's just that Grace doesn't buy any for her. But growing up, Grace and I also I don't think we owned that many toys either.
I feel like we had a lot.
Oh, really?
No?
I just didn't really like playing with toys. I liked just being outside more. Although that's really weird because I'm the opposite. Now I hate being outside.
Yeah.
I'm like, I'd rather just stay in.
I feel like maybe we just had a bunch of Barbies.
Yeah, you liked it.
I loved it, but I feel like you destroyed them.
Sorry. As a kid, I didn't really like playing with toys. I'd rather just be in a conversation with people. When adults are having their conversation, I just loved inserting myself into that group and just listening and hearing what people had to say.
I think I liked playing with bugs outside.
I did like bugs. Like, I loved roly-polies.
They're your favorite.
And I liked worms too. Yeah. And now now I'm thinking about it, I'm like, that's so gross. Yeah. What happened to me?
Roly-polies are actually kind of cute.
No. But anyways, today's word of the day is 장난감, which are toys. So the next thing we're going to be making is our miso butter cod. We'll incorporate all these ingredients. Here I have some cod, and this was frozen. So if you are using frozen cod, make sure to pat it dry so that all the water is removed. So cod is actually a low-fat source of protein. So it's really good for people who don't want to intake too much fat, and also helps improve heart functions. Let's season with salt and black pepper. I'm only gonna season one side. Add miso butter to both sides of the cod. For those of you guys that don't know, miso it's a Japanese-based sauce. Sorry, Ella's smacking her lips next to me, so excuse the noise. But if there's doenjang or fermented soybean paste in Korea, there's miso in Japan. And place it upside down so I can brush some more sauce on. Cook this at 350 degrees in the air fryer for about 7 minutes. So Ella's over here too. But in the meantime, while the cod is cooking, I'm gonna make some asparagus on the side. And if you guys have some rice in your rice cooker, you can do it with that too. Wowies, this looks so good. Just on the top. I'm gonna drizzle a small amount of sesame oil on top and some sesame seeds. Now we are gonna be eating. Let's start off with the salad. No, I really like the addition of the asparagus. Have you tried it?
Yeah, I tried it with it. I love the asparagus.
I really like pasta salads because you can make it ahead of time.
Tortellini makes it more satisfying. And also the pesto and the sundry tomato. It feels like a legitimate pasta.
Okay, can I try this?
Yes.
I might just like... No.
Oh wow.
How is that?
That sauce is amazing.
See, I like cod because I just love how it's so flaky, and I love how white it is inside. You know, like sometimes it's a little grayish, or yeah, it just feels really clean. But this marinade though?
Yeah, the marinade's amazing.
Amazing. Very good. It was so easy to make, guys. Like seriously.
Great ideas.
And it's really healthy too. I like that you don't have to make a dressing for this. It's just like fridge, boom. And I didn't even rush to try and finish this in 10 minutes. It was just done in 10 minutes. So I hope you guys tried this out. Press thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so. And we'll see you guys in our next video.